12 steps for a successful video editing in Camtasia Studio. To create any effective video, you need to follow certain steps, as video development is a process from start to finish. You can see on screen, these are the 12 steps we follow when we are making videos for YouTube, for e-learning courses, for any other clients. The step 1 is plan the video with basic script and storyboarding. Step 2 is import media clips like images, audio and video into the media bin. Arrange the clips on the timeline. Once after arranging, step 4 is make basic edits to the clips on the timeline like cut and split the clips, move the clips, add markers, etc. on the timeline. Later, step 5, edit the audio and remove noise. Step 6, add voice narration if required. Step 7, add title clips and transitions. Step 8, apply animations with smart focus, zoom, pan and transformations like position, scale and rotation animations. Step 9, add annotations, behaviors, cursor effects and other visual effects. Step 10, add markers, quizzes, surveys and captions. Step 11, add background music to the video. Once after adding all the elements required for a good video, render the final output and share it to the public. These are the 12 steps for effective video creation and editing in Camtasia Studio. We will see these 12 steps in detail in the coming videos in this series.